Check it out. This is a clip where the YouTuber, The Saint and the Sinner, makes a surprise visit to Andrew Tate's house in Romania. Let's see the clip.
Shade video so we can see which to press. So somebody can check and tell me which one he pressed. Okay, I pressed that. Seems like it worked.
Someone is coming, by the way.
What's that?
There's coming. People are coming.
So that's Tate's house, the security parts. I mean, it looks like he was not invited by Andrew Tate's security guard. I mean, why did he think it was a good idea? Isn't Andrew Tate under house arrest? So he can't just pull up outside of the house. In addition, I'm guessing it's, he, the saint and the sinner, came up to the house unexpected as a surprise. But here's the thing. Isn't it kind of rude to go to someone's house unexpected? What makes you think you, saint and the sinner, have a good relationship with Andrew Tate, right? Is it the custom and the norm to be invited to someone's house, then you go to someone's house? I'm just saying, but maybe it's because the saint and sinner may be living in his own bubble where he feels he's so important that if he goes to Romania, Andrew Tate's going to open up his arms. Is that what he was thinking in his head? Because this ain't Las Vegas. This ain't the YouTube world. This is somewhere outside of your continent. Europe, to be more specific.
He says somebody scrambled the signal. That's funny.
What?
Somebody in the chat put they scrambled the signal.
Yeah. Actually, that's what I thought.
That's what you thought too? You think they got some technology in there to scramble Wi-Fi signals?
No.
That's amazing. Y'all are creepy as hell.
Speak for yourself.
Y'all funny.
But actually, it's not so hard to do.
So I'm going to admit that stunt by the Saint and the Sinner YouTuber, or I guess he calls himself Marquette, was a big clout chasey, right? He somehow found Andrew Tate's house, which is not that hard to find, because if you notice right here, this is like the sign of the security post. It's gray everywhere. If you literally search, was it Andrew Tate's house or Andrew Tate compound, you're going to find that house, right? If you see here, let's say, you see here, right? This is the security. You see that blue sign? You see that blue sign? So it's not that hard to find Andrew Tate's house, right? I mean, this is probably one of the bigger places in Romania. So I think you just got to Google it and you're going to find the house eventually, right? It's not, in my opinion, hidden somewhere, right? It looks like it's on the main street somewhere, right? Apparently it was a warehouse turned to house. So it's going to be in some kind of a warehouse district. I think it's just a matter of clout chasing, a lot of belief. It's important to have ego, right? You need ego to drive yourself, that you need to believe you are the best, to become the best, to motivate yourself out of the gym, motivate yourself to be in the gym, motivate yourself to be better. But sometimes when you get too much ego, you live yourself almost full of delusion where you think you're more important than you actually are. So I think it's unfortunately a bad attempt of clout chasing, maybe let's say making some content out of the situation without knowing that Andrew Tate's under house arrest. He has to be extra careful to who he interacts with, especially when he's in this current situation. So anyways, that was the end of this video reaction and analysis. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Put a like and subscribe. Put a comment below if you got something to say about it. I'll see you all next time.